Hi everybody, here's another watch review of mine. Now what we have here is a vintage Casio from the 80s. This is the Casio JP-100W. I found this while I was cleaning the house, and I think this belonged to my dad, and I guess it kind of got abandoned somehow, but when I found it and I put new batteries in it, it works. As you can see, the design of the watch is very unique. It is asymmetrical with a pulse check button and a sensor at the right side of the dial. And it's not really a big watch, and for comparison, we have a F91W here, which is one of the popular budget Casio. So as you can see, the size is slightly wider and slightly thicker, but then it will probably give you about the same kind of wear if you put it on the wrist like this here. I have a 6¼ inch wrist, which is not very big, but this is how it wears on my wrist. So I guess this probably was a really cool and futuristic watch back then. And you can check your pulse, you can calculate the percentage of the target heart rate with a simple press of a button. And all you need is press the button and put one finger lightly on the, on the sensor, and it will pretty much tell you your, your heart rate and the percentage of the target heart rate that you have set beforehand. Other than the pulse check feature, it has a stopwatch, alarm, and a pacer stopwatch, which can be used by runners to check the pace during a run. But I'm not sure if it's still useful, since there are so many new smartwatches that can do this automatically. And so I'm actually pretty happy with this. And well, I found this without a strap, and I was planning to put a yellow rubber or NATO strap on it with black hardware, but then I realized it's kind of hard to find an 18mm strap. If you know where I can get a yellow strap for the watch, please comment below. Well, thanks for watching.